Dilip Parudekar, Michael Lobo have all come out saying that the mastermind, the Gundagardi cannot be tolerated. The mastermind. What does the ruling party MLAs or the ex-MLAs have to say?
परत तातून देर आर टू थिंग्स. मास्टर माइंड पकडपाक जाय हे सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. आता तो मास्टर माइंड कोण, वेदर झेनेटो इज द मास्टर माइंड, काय देर इज समबडी बिहाइंड. सी ऑल दिस हॅज टू बी. आता आय विल गिव यू अ सिंपल एक्झाम्पल. जेन्ना कोणाकूय आरोपीक अरेस्ट करता पळय, वाय डू दे वेअर दॅट ब्लॅक मास्क? It is because you should not influence the eyewitnesses. If I see that face on TV today, especially in today's digital media, sometimes you get swayed by that. So the reason why that is done. So what I'm trying to say is investigation has to be very specific. For example, what led to Zenito's arrest? Are you expecting that police should tell them, come to the media, come to the police, ki baba, they have taken Zenito's name? No, they arrested him and then they said ki as per investigation. Same thing applies to case. Who they have sent the video. See, lot of this evidence will be produced when their bail has to be denied. So all I'm trying to say is let us not demand a media trial. Secondly, what Michael Lobo or anybody else is asking, see, they are not supposed to be privy to the investigation. Today, BJP as a party also is not the one conducting investigation or nor the police is reporting to us.